My name is Francis. I'm gonna walk you through my home setup today. So here we have the coffee desk, also with the two Alex drawers, a very popular setup on YouTube and etc. for these days. And also I have the beautiful Anthrodesk sturdy steel frame, the Electric Starter Kit at $299 Canadian dollars. It's a Canadian company. They make a really good products. And also this one has a weight capacity of 70 kilogram and two non-programmable buttons. As you can see, they can go up or down. It goes all the way to 48 inches high. I bought that recently because of COVID-19. It's been really hard lately to work 12 plus hours at home or even study also with work in the morning. So it's a lot of long hours, and I bought this product recently. It's really good. I really recommend it. There's a lot of standing desk frames going around these days, and this is especially for Canadians. I really recommend these products. On my desk I also have this old 2017 MacBook Pro, and also with my 8 years old monitor, IPS 22 or 24 inch monitor. I'm gonna upgrade both of these next year for a better computer and also a better monitor, but at the moment it is what it is, and it's good for work and study and also very casual gaming. Also working this headphone stand in a mug warmer, as you can see over there, and also the old Bluetooth keyboard from Apple. Also I had to buy a mouse when I started working from home. So this is my setup at the moment. So that's my chair from my home office. It's a IKEA chair. It's linked below if you guys want, but I like it because it's a low price and it's very comfortable. But for a lot of hours, it starts to be hard on my back. Next year when I upgrade my computer, I might also upgrade my chair at the same time. Since I started working from home, I have been at times sitting down for 12 or more hours. So I bought this Anthrodesk Electric Starter Kit. It's linked below with everything else. So I don't give much thought about my cable management, as you can see, because it's kind of bad at the moment with cables everywhere. Also, there's not very much on the wall. Everything here is very much empty at the moment. So this is it at the moment. I really like this standing desk frame. It's very sturdy, made of stainless steel. It's made by Anthrodesk, like I said, and it's very good. Even though it's the starter kit, you only have one motor and it goes to 48 inches high and also 48 inches wide. I think I've made that as wide as they can be. This frame can handle all the way to 70 kilogram. It's really okay for how I use it. As you can see, I don't have much on my setup at the moment. I use it mainly for work because of COVID-19, as many people have been working from home. So it's really good to work for many hours and also study on my school and casual gaming. I also have this plant over here. I really recommend everyone having a plant in the office. It really has a certain atmosphere, and also helps the air a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys how this frame works. So see, it's very well, they include everything in this desk and it's extremely easy to install. I made small holes in here. So I'm gonna show you guys how this frame works. It's really easy to install. They really thought of everything, not too hard. Like, they included these white Velcro straps over here, the motor. So I'm gonna show you guys how high it goes. At the moment I'm putting it down, this is I think around 27 inches. And when I put it up, this, like I mentioned, is the non-programmable buttons. For more, you can have the older, more pricey this is just around 27 inches low, I think. It's the lowest it can be. Usually I put it around 30-35 when I'm sitting with my chair. If you put it up, you can hear the sound. It's fine. This is a non-programmable frame. It's really good with me. I usually only sit on my chair around 35 or like stand at the max. Not the max, maybe around like eye level usually. But okay, so this is the highest it can go. As you can see, it doesn't wobble at all. See, if I try to use it or like game hard, I guess this, as you can see, it just doesn't wobble very much. It's extremely sturdy, even all the way to 48 inches. And when you're here, usually this will be like this, with the monitor at one eye level. This is how it looks. They have straps. They have straps on the back over here to help you. As I mentioned, they include straps to cable manage, although I did not do it very good. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna get next year a better computer and monitor, and I'm thinking of at that time doing a better cable management. I could have hit all the cables like this, but I did not do it. It's fine with me at the moment. So that's it for my home office tour, special quarantine. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will link every object on my desk in the description.